Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server in MU Dark Epoch. When I first wanted to switch servers in MU Dark Epoch, I actually had to hunt a bit for the option. It's tucked away in the settings. Let's start by tapping the bottom right corner of the main screen to open the menu. Then let's go into my account section. That's where the change server button lives, almost shy in the bottom left corner. Pressing it takes you straight to the server selection screen, and you'll see a mix of recommended and available servers. I noticed the color-coded lights really help. Green means smooth sailing, yellow is a bit crowded, and red probably better to avoid unless you like laggy adventures. After confirming your choices, there is a short loading screen, and suddenly you're in a new server, ready to explore with a fresh group of players. It's surprisingly satisfying to see the change take effect instantly and start anew. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.